It's Vlogmas 2019. Hey, 2019. It's Vlogmas 2019. Sit back, enjoy. Hey. It's day 24 of Vlogmas. Blah, 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 Vlogmas. Blah, 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 Vlogmas. Blah, 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 Vlogmas. Well, or should I say Christmas Eve? It's day 24 of Christmas Eve. It's day 24 of Christmas Eve. We don't worry about it. Hey, Kareful Keith back in this. You guys, it is Christmas Eve. It is, and I'm doing yet another challenge. This time I was challenged by, watch this.
To do what? What you challenging to do? The strawberries?
Yeah, but now you have to eat. Here, this is going to be the 15th one. That you wanted me a party pooper. And I'm going to eat this one too, so that'll be 15. 16.
You can challenge Miss Tasha.
I challenge Miss Tasha, Kareful Keith.
Okay, and the person who challenged this is, watch this.
And all you guys that are in here now and that were in here yesterday, I'm challenging you to the strawberry challenge. So I expect you guys to do this challenge.
Okay, so as you seen who I was called out by, they said that I need to eat at least 16 of these things. So this is what I did, just for anybody who's wondering. I took them all out, I cleaned them, then I cleaned the container, and then I put them all back in. I want to say it's 20 or 21 of them, so, but some of them are kind of small. Ready Whip, never opened, brand new can. It's cold too. Just took it out of the fridge. We're gonna see if we can do the 16 at least that we were challenged to do. That's what we're gonna shoot for. Try to do 16. Let's go. Hopefully you guys are, doing pretty good. And, getting ready for a good old tomorrow. Hopefully you guys are. And think about that part. These strawberries are a little sour, but I guess it is what it is. One down. Do I contact Ready Whip about this? Like, this stuff just sprayed all over the table. Maybe I didn't shake it enough. That's 2. That's 6. Because like I said, I just took it out of the refrigerator. How long does this say? Shake well 4 times. Oh. According to the directions, you're supposed to use it like this. I did not know that. Okay, so we've done 2 so far. So I guess I won't be contacting Ready Whip because it was a user error. I did not know you were supposed to use it upside down. Did not know that. See, I guess it does work, huh? Who would have ever known that? See, somebody out there probably didn't know that either. Yep. We just learned it together, y'all. This is really helping with the bitterness of the strawberries. This is number 4. Hopefully all you guys are ready for the big day tomorrow. I am as ready as I'm gonna be. I think I can keep up with them better like that. If I stack them all in 5s. Oh, crap. Six. Rayon, I'm coming for this 16. 7. 8. 9. 10. 'Now you guys are probably wondering, how did you get a Tosh Time shirt and you doing her challenge? Don't worry about it. It's a secret. 11. I'm really surprised at how bitter these strawberries are. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Rayon, when I eat this one, I passed it. 17. 18. 19. 20. And last but not least, I'm not eating that part right now. I don't know what it is. 21. You guys, I want to thank you so very much for coming to spend this good old Vlogmas Christmas Eve with me. I hope all of you guys are getting a chance to do whatever it is that you plan and want to do for this Christmas holiday. I know I am. You guys will get a chance to see exactly what I'm going to be doing on tomorrow. I think I'm going to do a little live. Outside of actually dropping a video, I think I'm going to do a live to give you guys a little sneak peek as to exactly what I'm doing for the Christmas holidays. Tosh time, thank you for doing this challenge. Rayon, thank you for calling me out. And I completed it. So I will see you guys on tomorrow on Vlog Christmas. Vlog Christmas. Yeah, that probably won't stick. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!